Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this Lego set 75932 Jurassic Park Velociraptor Chase. This was issued in 2018 as part of the Jurassic World movie franchise, but it was celebrating 25 years of the original Jurassic Park movie. That's one of my favorite movie. So this is the part issued in 2018. I don't know whether you can still get it or not, but I checked several online retailers. You still can find it for around about $40. Yeah, around 40 US dollars. It has 337 parts and with 4 minifigures. You can see there, let me zoom it for you. You can see there's Alan Grant, Ellie Sattler, Lex, and Tim Murphy, and also our famous guy, the Velociraptor. So I'm going to show you. I already built this. I'm going to show you why I like it, and if you are a Jurassic Park fan, why you should get it. Okay, I'm going to set it up. So guys, this is the back side of the box, and it shows several features. I'm going to show you in actual play, but to mention here that it came with the Jello, but in the picture it's Tim. In the picture it's Lex that holding it, but in the movie I remember actually the one that being focused is Tim, not Lex. Yeah, but here is showing Lex, and also the cupboard. So they are taking their role on the other round. Supposed to be Lex is the one the cupboard, and while Tim is the one that eating the Jello. Okay, so this is true to the movie. Lex is over there, and the window pop off. I'm going to show you earlier. And this is the cold storage area with the camera here. And then yeah, this is the door lock function. You can go there to have the door lock, and it shows here your hybrid dinosaur. Okay, so that's about the box. I'm going to show you the real Lego playset. So this is the set. If you can see, the minifigure are there, and there's a Velociraptor looking there. So before we start off with the set, I'm going to show you that actually this is the scene from the Velociraptor chase that is being displayed over here. Actually this is a few scenes. If you can see this, actually this part is this kitchen area, and then this is the computer area where Lex is trying to get the door lock. And also if you can see a little bit far off here, that's the embryo cold storage area, and it also came with this. You can see, yeah, this storage. Can you get it? Focus. Yeah, so that's the when Dennis Nedry is using it to carry it off to steal the embryos. So before we get started, I'm going to show you first the minifigure, starting from our famous star of the show. This is the Velociraptor chase. So this is the Velociraptor. Unfortunately, it only came with one, I believe. If you can see, show again the picture here. So there's 2 Velociraptor, right? It's supposed to come with 2 Velociraptor, but you get one of them. Okay, good representative of the real thing. If you can see that real. Actually, guys, if you look it up, Velociraptor is not this tall. It's probably better representation of a Utah Raptor, because Velociraptor is like size of chicken, guys. If you ever look at it. So okay, Jurassic Park gave us another version of Velociraptor. Reason why? Because they are using genetics. They like the name, but maybe they are using like Utahraptor DNA or something. So okay, to show you again, focus camera. Okay, this is the Velociraptor, mean looking Velociraptor. I really like this one. Actually the size again is a little bit off. If you can see, compared to Tim here, this is way too big. It's not supposed to be that big. Yeah, it's this big. Okay, so it has 4 studs there. You can put a Lego minifig to write on it. So that's the Velociraptor. I'm going to put you there. Next, start off with, again, continue with Dr. Alan Grant. So my favorite famous Dr. Alan Grant. He came with this blue jeans, called the jeans. It only has one face, unfortunately. So this is the only face. Oh, wrong focus. So this is the only face. There's no back print on the face, but continuing his green shirt there. But you have an alternate of this hair. You have his hat, so you can put, yeah, Dr. Grant with the hat. So yeah, one of my favorite movie characters, Dr. Alan Grant. So you can choose either the hat or the hair. I personally like the hat better. Okay, so that's Dr. Alan Grant, and then Dr. Sattler, Dr. Ellie Sattler. Yeah, the famous pink blouse. She has an alternate hat. Show you here. This is the scary version of it. Yeah, the scary version, and the normal version. Dr. Ellie Sattler with the famous pink knot in there. If you see, if you notice, they included that pink knot. Did I mention this is part of the 25 years Jurassic Park anniversary? The original Jurassic Park release was 2018. So this is Lex Murphy. Yeah, very nice clothes, very true to the movie if you notice. And alternate hats. This is the set version of Lex. Okay, happy version and the sad version. Next is, last but not least, the minifigure here. This is Tim Murphy. Okay, happy face, and the alternate also a sad face. Okay, so those are the minifigures. Okay, and I'll show you a little bit closer on the my camera there. Show you a little bit closer on the Lego set itself. Okay, over here, Lex. So if you can see, actually there are 3 distinct parts of it. First of all, this is the main area of the playset. This is the computer. If you can see there, there's Ned. Yeah, Dennis Nedry saying you didn't say the magic word. So that's the computer, and a very nice inclusion of it. Yeah, and this is the one that Murphy Lex is using, so she can sit there. Actually, she stands there. This is a junior minifig, right? So there's no folding of the leg. So what she can do is she sits there, play with. This is a mouse of it. If you can see, that's the mouse. So she stands there and try to lock the door. And here's the door lock. Actually, there's a red piece here, but I seem to misplace it. So this is the door lock. With this open, the door is open. Oops, I broke the handle. Oops, that one fell down also. So oh yeah, while mentioning, if you can see in my background, actually that's ultimate Blu-ray. This ultimate, what am I saying? A Blu-ray Jurassic Park Ultimate Trilogy. So it came with several. It came Jurassic Park 1, 2, 3, and some memorabilia of the, yeah, Mr. Director over there. Yeah, okay. And just to show you off, those are my mugs. You can see there's several mugs of it. Yeah, just to make a good Jurassic Park theme background. Right, so continuing here, you can open this door, you can get it closed, lock. Right, so that's how it goes. And then there are a few trinkets here. If you can see, there's an umbrella, yeah, get the phones. And then some phone, walkie-talkie, right? And this is a very nice feature, map of the Isla Nublar, right? Isla Nublar, and there's some hotspots you can see there. Also the phone, the red phone, that's the main computer area. So Dr. Grant can have a standoff here with the Velociraptor on the other side. Yeah, so like I mentioned again, guys, actually the size of this Velociraptor actually is too big. Still can get through the door, but actually he won't have to, because there's also a play feature here. If you can see this window, he can knock it. He can knock it. He's supposed to knock it. Yeah, he can knock it over and boo. Yeah, or perhaps. Yeah. So this window, oops, actually I knocked it down. That window can be knocked down easily because it consists of two parts. Let me show you. So this is the window part, and this is the one that you get able to knock down. You have to make sure which way you want to knock it down, because if this is the way you put it, it will knock over this way. But if you put it on the other side, so it will knock over that way. So it's easily to knock down. That's the window. It's one of the play features there. You can get the Raptor. And with that, it also came with this ladder, guys. If you remember the scene after the Velociraptor supposed to be broke the window, they all went up to the ventilation shaft. So they are using this ladder to go up. Yeah, like that, to the shaft. You can imagine a shaft here, right? Okay, so that's the computer area. And also let me move it a little bit. Okay, now this is the kitchen area. It also came with this, if you remember, this is the jello cake, yeah, green jello that Tim was eating when the Velociraptor came. It came with the spoon. You can put the spoon there also, yeah, and Tim can eat his jello, right? And then, yeah, this is the kitchen scene. There's a sausage also, and a few of these pots, right? The one that, if you can remember also in the scene, Lex is using one of the pots. Actually it's like a pan, not really the pan. Yeah, Lex is using to tap the floor, tuk, and then she can go inside this. Yeah, actually this goes both way, guys. You can see, yeah, it goes both way. You can insert Lex there. See if you can see here, that one can be inserted, and she's hiding inside the cupboard. I'll put that back. Okay, so that's one of the play features. And moving to the last area, this is the embryo cold storage. So if you can notice, like, this is the one that when you pull up, and then there's several dino embryo inside there. You can have, maybe if you can get a Dennis Nedry figure, you can put it here, like he's going to the storage area, and then with this I forgot what it's called in the movie, guys. This one can be used to Dennis Nedry to steal away the DNA. Okay, so this is the, okay, let me put the window back this side. So all of this is the playset. You can put Dr. Sattler there to help Dr. Grant holding off the door, and then Alex get out to the cupboard. Sorry, my son just sneezes. Okay, so here is Lex again trying to get the computer, and you can have the Velociraptor over there outside the window, outside the door, and you can put this leather over there. So this is the whole set to recreate this scene, right? So if you're a Jurassic Park fan and also a Lego fan, I recommend you to get this set. It's a very nice memorabilia and also a great piece to put maybe in your desk somewhere, because in itself it's also a great display. So if you like to discuss with me on this set or any other Lego set, do feel free to drop a comment. I always, if I can say, I always respond to your comment. I like to know what you're thinking, because we all Lego fans, and especially on this part we all Jurassic Park fans. Looking forward to see the next Jurassic Park movie, the third installment of the Jurassic World. And do share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all.